Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you know me, you know who I am, and if you don't, my name is Meryl. I'm a fairly successful affiliate marketer, and I teach people how to make money online on YouTube, which is what you're watching right now. This series is all about helping you go from $0 to $10,000 a month in a year, and we're doing it with a platform called HBA. I'll introduce more advanced topics later, but we're starting with the basics, since it only requires a $25 entry fee. If this is your first time here and you're not familiar with what we're doing, I'm glad you're here. This is video 4 in the series, and much of what I'll discuss won't make sense if you haven't watched the previous videos, so I strongly recommend you start from the beginning with video 1. I won't dive too deep into all that since those who have been following along are probably tired of hearing it. If you go to the video description, you'll find a link called Build Cash Biz. Click that, enter your info, and follow it to HBA's page. There's a ton of information there to give you an overview. Alternatively, you can head straight to video 1 and start from there, whichever works best for you. Assuming you've seen the previous videos, let's get going. Today, I'm going to build on what we covered in the last video, and provide more specific advice on working with TikTok. I'll assume you've watched the CapCut tutorial and have some basic video editing skills. First off, when working with TikTok, remember it's meant to be short, generally under a minute. CapCut allows you to adjust video speed, which can be a lifesaver. Nobody will notice if your video is running 10% faster. They'll just think you're speaking quickly. Keep it simple and save yourself the hassle. Another useful feature is overlays. They let you add images or videos on top of your content, which is great for showing screenshots or visuals. If you add music, just remember that CapCut tends to play it loud. Set it to 3 or 4% to avoid surprises. Now, let's talk about clickable links. You absolutely need a clickable link to send people to your funnel. Since TikTok doesn't offer a description section like YouTube, you'll need a different place to put it. Add it to your bio and instruct viewers to check your bio for the link. Hashtags are essential for discovery. Store your collected hashtags in your notes and copy-paste them when posting your video. Make sure they align with your content and do some research to find relevant ones. TikTok is a great source of inspiration. Don't reinvent the wheel. Recreate videos you find interesting with your unique twist. Feel free to use some of my short videos as templates. My usual thing with them is to introduce a concept and tell people to check out my YouTube channel for more details. That actually brings up an important point. You can and should use multiple platforms, but having a core one where you put the bulk of your work, and where your audience can easily find you is pretty useful. I use YouTube, but other people use Facebook, Instagram, even LinkedIn. Speaking of which, my next video will be tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram. That's it for now. If you have questions, comment here or drop me an email. I'm happy to help. See you next time.